earlier on I was talking to my niece about birds, and we were through names of birds. It came to falcon. This is what happened. Because I was painting, yeah. And do you know who took the paint? The falcon birds. Tell your mum who took the paint on me. Tell her, she can't hear you.
The falcon birds paint the world all the time.
The falcon birds.
The falcon birds.
Tell Joy. Joy can't hear you. Tell Joy.
Joy!
Who done it?
The falcon bird.
Do you like falcon birds? Tell your mum you don't like falcon birds.
I don't like falcon bird, Mom.
Do you not? Why?
They
poo on you. Ew.
Who pooed on you?
The falcon bird.
Oh my god. Tell your mummy, Uncle Gareth likes falcon birds. Tell your mummy, Uncle Gareth likes falcon birds.
God like falcon bird.
Does they?
Yeah.
I like falcon birds, yes. Yes, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later, falcon bird.
See you later, falcon bird.